Hi everyone, it's Christina from the DIYmommy.com, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet a chunky heart banner. To begin, you're going to need some extra chunky roving yarn. I'm using Top Knot Styles yarn in Coral Blush Pink and a large crochet hook. This is a P16 crochet hook. Then you're going to need to create a magic loop, so place your yarn in an upside down U like this and then wrap it around your fingers like this to create a loop. Then draw some yarn from behind the loop with your crochet hook just like this. Next you're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3 by drawing your yarn through the loop with your hook like this. Next you're going to do a triple crochet. So wrap your yarn around your crochet hook twice, 1, 2, and then go into your loop and draw a loop of yarn through. Pull the loop through 2 of the loops on your hook, wrap around the yarn again, pull through another 2, wrap around the yarn again, and pull through the final 2 loops on your hook. That is a triple crochet. Next, do another triple crochet just like this. I'll leave the pattern in the description box below for these hearts. Then you're going to do 3 double crochets. So wrap the yarn around your hook once, like this, go into the loop, draw some yarn, pull the yarn through 2 loops, and then 2 loops again. Do 2 more double crochets. Then chain 1, you're going to be at the point of your heart now, and then do another triple crochet. Next, chain 1 again, and now you're going to do some double crochets, so 3 double crochets. After the 3 double crochets, you're going to do 2 triple crochets. So remember, for these, you're going to wrap your yarn around your hook twice. One triple crochet and 2 triple crochets. After that, chain 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then you're going to pull your magic loop shut by pulling on the end of the string, just like this. This makes the middle of your heart nice and tight. Next, take your hook and push it through the center of your heart. And you're going to do a slip stitch, so draw the yarn through the hole in the heart and then draw it through the loop on your hook. Pull it through a little bit and then cut off the end with scissors, and the excess you can pull back through the back of the heart. You are finished your beautiful chunky crochet heart. And then all you have to do for the back is just draw the extra yarn through some of the stitches in the back. And then you can just cut it. So these chunky hearts are super cute on their own, just as Valentine's decor or even as something like a coffee cup coaster. I decided to make 7 of these and create a banner. So if you want to create a banner just like I did, take some leftover yarn and then take a crochet hook, draw it from the back to the front on the top side of one of the hearts, pull the yarn through, and then draw the yarn from the back to the front on the other top side of the heart. And then just continue along in this way, stringing all of the other hearts you've made on your banner. I made 7 hearts, and I think that made a nice long banner. You could do this with a crochet hook, or you could also do it by hand just like this. I decided to use a little 3M sticky hook and put this banner on our bed frame. So I put the hooks on either side of our bed frame, and then I just tied each side of the heart banner onto the hooks on the bed frame. Then just kind of space the hearts out evenly along the banner. This would also look super cute on a fireplace mantle for Valentine's Day. And that's it. That's how this chunky heart banner looks. It's really easy to make, and I love how it looks in our master bedroom. I've put it on our headboard for Valentine's Day, and I've added some beautiful Valentine's Day themed pillowcases. And I think our bedroom looks extra special and romantic for February. Stay tuned to my blog and my YouTube channel as I'm going to launch a pillowcase collection really soon. These are part of that, and I am so excited to tell you more about that soon. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you all again in my next video. Bye!